Hey guys, what is going on? It is RC Knockout and I am back with another video. Now, if you are new to the channel, my name is Nolan, and in today's video, I have got my Arrma Kraton EXB out with me. Now, the thumbnail might confuse some of you guys, because some of you guys might be thinking, did Nolan go out and buy another Arrma Kraton after all the issues he's had with his EXB? Well, I can understand why you would think that, but no, this in fact is my Arrma Kraton EXB, but what I did do is I went out and I bought a new body for it. So I bought the Arrma Kraton version 5 ready to run body. I bought it in red. The only reason I bought this body over an EXB one was because it was cheaper. I got this for $45 shipped to my door. I think the EXB ones were about 60 bucks, and the EXB body I've been running is absolute trash at this point, so that's why I decided to replace it. But that's not the only change I've made to this machine, guys. In today's video, I'm actually going to be testing out the new diffs that I put in this machine, because the EXB diffs are no more. I'm done with the EXB diffs. I've had nothing but issues with them. I went ahead and I swapped in the version 5 diffs out of the version 5 Kraton. I've heard some people online argue that the straight cut version 5 diffs are actually just as good, if not better. So that's why I decided to ditch the EXB diffs. I basically replaced the entire front and rear bulkheads, diff housings I should say. I also took them all apart and made sure they were shimmed properly, and hats off to whoever at Arrma shimmed these, because they did an excellent job. These diffs right here are shimmed perfectly. I'm used to there being a lot of slop in the Arrma diffs. From basically every Arrma I bought, there's been a lot of play in the disc, but whoever shimmed this did an excellent job. I wish Arrma did this with all their diffs, so I don't know if it's whoever was working that shift or what it was, but this one shimmed perfectly. I can't fit any more shims within the diff. I also dumped out the fluid in the rear, and I put 10K in the rear. I think it's 60K fluid in the front. So I'm crossing my fingers, guys, we don't have any issues with this machine today. I'm out here today in northern Missouri. I'm at a place I call the Rock Quarry. It's been a few months since I've been here. Usually when I bring RC cars here, they do not last very long. They usually break because this is a huge test for them. It's a very, very harsh environment. Landing on the rocks and jumping them. This one, the other upgrades it has, it's got a wheelie bar that I bought off of, I think I bought this on eBay. So far that's held up pretty well. Also has got the D-boot backflip tires. Basically I replaced the Copperhead 2s, which is what would come stock on the EXB. And I think these are the ones that come on, I think they're off of the Arrma Outcast or the Arrma Notorious. But these definitely grip a lot better and they don't balloon up nearly as bad. Oh, and also I swapped in a new ESC. I was running that Red Cat Racing 150 amp, but those plugs made it go into limp mode all the time because it has T-plugs or Dean's connectors. So it was too much power, I think, going through those connectors. So I swapped them out to, I swapped the whole ESC out to basically an Arrma 150 amp. So it's most likely the exact same ESC that would come in a version 5 or very similar. It might be the ESC out of like an Arrma Typhon, but it's a 6S capable Arrma ESC. I'm still running that Arrma 2050 kV BLX motor. So basically it's stock electronics from Arrma now, and it also has got a 15 tooth pinion, and the spur, I haven't changed any of that stuff. So I'm going to be running a 6S pack, of course. It's a 6,000 milliamp 100C discharge rate Z lipo pack. Sorry to disappoint some of you guys, but I'm not running this body. This body's in too good a shape right now. I've got my Arrma Kraton EXB body in the van, so I'm going to put that on. In the future, we will be running this. Also, guys, real quick before we jump into this video, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please consider doing so. And if you do, make sure to hit that notification bell. So then you'll be notified when I come out with new videos, because I come out with new videos on a very regular basis. Also, you're going to want to subscribe because I travel for work and I travel all around the country, and I bring my RC cars wherever I go. So if you want to see videos from literally all over the country, make sure to subscribe. Also, if you're enjoying this video so far, make sure to give this video a like, just to show your support. So yeah, now let's go ahead and jump right in this video. Alrighty guys, I went ahead, I got her plugged in. This is that 6,000 milliamp pack I was talking about. And yeah, just to look at the electronics real quick, it's that Spectrum Firma 150 amp Smart ESC. And I have it mated to a BLX Arrma 2050 kV motor. But yeah, the main test in this video is these new differentials. Here's my EXB body right here. And it has seen better days, that is for sure. Got a huge crack in the top, basically a hole in the top, because I had my GoPro mount glued on top and I landed really hard on pavement and it basically broke it right through the top. So top broken. Here's where the shock towers, or the top of the shocks I guess, broke through the body. There's some cracks in the body, so the body's not in the best shape, but this is the perfect body to use at a place like this. So let me go ahead, get her hooked up, and we'll get started ripping. Alrighty guys, it is time to rock and roll. Get her flipped back over and keep on going. Alrighty guys, here we go again. Bringing her up. We're gonna launch it off of this. Nice. So far so good, no diff noises. Nice! I have to say, this machine's a ton of fun when it works. I've just had tons of issues since I bought it that it just doesn't work most of the time, but when it works, this machine is a ton of fun. That hurt. Flipped it all the way down there. Gotta go get it. Just we'll do wheel stands. Fly by. Almost ran into myself. Bringing her back. a fast machine. Tumbled her again, gotta go get her. Trying to get her through this stuff's gonna be kind of nasty. I think we're upside down again. Gotta go get it. Alrighty, let's keep on going. I want to go to some of those piles right over there. Launch! Let me get up here real quick. Tumbled again. There was water down there. I didn't even see it. Gosh, this is all water down here. Didn't realize that. She's a little wet now, but no worse for wear. Everything's sounding good so far. Tumbled her up there. This is an extreme bass right here. Oh! She just hit low voltage mode, and doing a quick little once over, everything looks fine on it. I don't think anything broke. So she made it through that entire bass session. The body's not looking the greatest. I got her a little wet because I splashed her in some water, but those diffs seem to have held up. So I'm super impressed. So give this video a like, subscribe if you're not subscribed, and I look forward to seeing you guys in the next video. I'll definitely have this one out again very soon.